up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're out at the Freedom Factory. We're gonna be tinting some cars out here. First off, we're gonna start tinting this tractor. It's for Freedom. Frank is one of the ones that they use on the property out here. So we're gonna be getting this done. We got Barry out here. We got Clyde out here. So what's up, Barry?
I plucked my nose hair this morning. Ready to go.
So we're gonna do this skid